Another big thing that happened this week is the Harambee Starlets. They won their match against Cameroon, the return leg here in Kenya, after complaining about not being very well treated in Douala, where they had a long distance to travel to go and train. But here at the Nyayo Stadium, it was the free kick that was taken that ended up slipping off the hands of the goalkeeper and into the net. And a very big partisan crowd was there. So they booked a date with Botswana. Botswana thumped Gabon 7-1. That means they won on aggregate 10-1. The winner of the match now will play Kenya, and then whoever wins there goes to the Cup of Nations. I wonder what the coach had to say. This is Beldin. That it can be done.
We have massive talent. We have good girls. They know football. They're playing well. They're in good teams. Those who are playing outside Kenya. We also have a lot of talent here in Kenya. And there's no difference. Just let the girls know that they're playing against girls. They're playing against 11, and if they play together as a team, they can do it, and they've done it today. Under categories, the under 20s, the under 17, the under 18s. Not for us to go to the camp and ministry says we don't think under 18 is important. We got that last time, and if we get such support and we see more girls, and we see more growth, and we support in school, and we get good coaches in school, then as a country, we're good to go.
Beldin Odemba, the coach, the national team coach of the women's team. You remember she was here on this show on Scoreboard. That time she had guided Highway Secondary School to the national championships. And we talked to her because she was a lady who's coaching the boys and the challenges there. But now she's coaching the girls as well. What do you make of this win?
I feel very proud, and I must congratulate the ladies of the Starlets for what they did, you know, and just to give you an indication of what that achievement is. Cameroon has never failed to be in the WAFCON ever since it was inaugurated in 2021. So beating such a team of high caliber is a really good thing. And what I see in this team is they're young, they have time to build. This is a team that will go places. You know,
Captain.
First and foremost, you know, is to congratulate the Starlet, and especially Beldin, because you mentioned Bernard. You know, I'm happy to see her that, you know, she has been able, because we hosted her here, and the enthusiasm she had when she was talking to us, she has proven, you know, that she was able. But there is something else that that interests me in this game. Substitute Cynthia.
Yes, she was a substitute.
Okay, she was a substitute, but she came in, score, and almost even scored the second goal. That means, you know, we could have not got to the penalties.
Yes.
You know, it is something that if you have had me, Bernard, always, I am looking out for this young athlete, young sports person, young player, you know, who is given a chance. Because by the time that you are in the bench, it means you are not the best. But you see, once you are brought in, you are able to score.
You know, one interesting thing, Captain, is that the entire Cameroon team plays professional outside of the country. The other interesting thing about the Kenyan team is the entire team plays professional. There was only one who was playing locally in Ulinzi, and the substitutions actually came from Ulinzi and one from a team in Western, and they're the ones who changed the game. But it means that the women's game has grown as well, and they are professionals at the moment. All of them who are playing there, save for at least 4 in the Kenyan team, the rest were professionals.
And that is where it brings, when we host a big tournament like that, remember that there's so many people who will come here and scout for this talent. So let's hope that at least, you know, in the future, if there is a chance, let's give a chance, especially to the youngsters. Because I know, Bernard, from a sports point of view, when you are starting, and if you remember, I say that whenever you have a young person, when they go in there, they have nothing to lose. They just want to display the game. And that is what Cynthia was able to do. And I think we have a great future as a country.
So November 27 is when we'll be playing Botswana. Now it's been confirmed because of Botswana's win.